Welcome back to our maths class. Let's move into the chapter Algebra. Hello children. In the previous module, we saw what is a variable and what is an expression. Okay. In this module, we are going to discuss exercise 11.3. Okay, so only this exercise we have for our exam. Okay, so exercise 11.3, question number 2. Okay, so question number 2 is which out of the following are expressions with numbers only. Okay, so expression, I told you two cases in the previous module. So an expression with variable and an expression with numbers. Okay, we saw two cases. Okay, so this question we have to write which of the following expressions are with numbers only. Okay, so look at the first one. We have y plus 3. Okay, y plus 3. Y is a variable. Okay, so it is not an expression with numbers. Yes. Now second one, 8z. You have 8z. Z is also a variable. So it is also not an expression with numbers. Now C question. If you see, you have only numbers. Yes or no? So C is an expression with only numbers. Clear? Now D. D we have only 5. Okay, so 5, so it is an expression with numbers. Clear? Now 3x you have a variable x. Okay, so that is not an expression with numbers. Next one, 5 minus 5n, there also you have a variable n. Okay, now G question, if you see, you have a variable p. Yes or no? So you have a variable p, so it is not an expression with only numbers. Okay, so second question, which two are expressions with only numbers? It is C and D. Okay, the subdivision C and D are expressions with only numbers. Clear children? Question number 3. Identify the operations, okay, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication in forming the following expressions and tell how the expressions have been formed. Okay, so the expression will be given. We have to find the operation used. Operation used in the sense addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. What operation is used in that expression we have to tell, and we have to also tell how the expressions have been formed. Okay, how that expression has been formed also we have to tell. Okay, now going to the solution. A question, z plus 1. Okay, in a question we have z plus 1, z minus 1, y plus 17 and y minus 17. Okay, these four questions we have in our A subdivision. Z plus 1, z minus 1, y plus 17 and y minus 17. Okay, in z plus 1, what is the operation used? Okay, so the operation used here is plus, so that is addition. Okay, so the operation used is addition. Okay, now we have to tell how the expression has been formed. Okay, so z plus 1, what happened here? 1 has been added to z. Yes or no? So we have 1 is added to z. Okay children, so z plus 1, 1 has been added to z. So 1 is added to z and the operation used is subtraction. Clear? Now next one, z minus 1. So z minus 1. So what is the expression used? We read it as z minus 1. But what is the operation used? Subtraction. Okay, so subtraction is the operation used. Okay, so z minus 1. So how it has been formed? How the expression is formed? 1 is subtracted from z. Okay, so we have 1 is subtracted from z. Clear children? Now next one, y plus 17. Okay, so the operation used is addition. Okay, and 17 is added to y. Okay, that is we have to tell how the expressions has been formed now. So 17 is added to y. Clear? Next one, y minus 17. Okay, so what is the operation used? Subtraction. Okay, and how can we tell how the expression has been formed? 17 is subtracted from y. Clear children? B question, we have three questions in that. Okay, so 17y, this is y by 17. Okay, so y divided by 17. Okay, this slash means it is y divided by 17. Okay, now we have 5z. Okay, so 17y. Okay, 17y means what? 17 into y. Yes or no? So what is the operation used? Multiplication. Okay, so how can we tell how the expression has been formed? It is y is multiplied by 17. Clear, children? Now next one, y by 17. So by means what is the operation used? It is division. Okay, and how can we tell how the expression has been formed? Y is divided by 17. Clear? Next one, 5z. 5z is nothing but 5 into z. Yes or no? 5 into z. So what is the operation used? Multiplication. Okay, and how can we tell how the expression has been formed? Z is multiplied by 5. Clear, children? Next one, C subdivision. We have two questions, 2y plus 17 and 2y minus 17. Okay, so we have 2y plus 17 and 2y minus 17. Okay, so what is the operation used here? Okay, so we have addition. Okay, addition operation we have. Okay, and 2y. 2y means 2 into y. Okay, this 2y. This 2y means what? 2 into y. Yes or no? So we have multiplication also. Okay, so two operations we have, multiplication and addition. Okay, so what is the operation used? Multiplication and addition. Okay, now how can we tell how the expression has been formed? Okay, first we have to tell for 2y. Okay, so 2y is multiplied by 2. Can we write like that? Okay, so y is multiplied by 2 and plus 17. Okay, y is added, y is multiplied by 2 first and then 17 is being added, no? So and 17 is added to the result. Clear, children? Okay, now next one, 2y minus 17. What happened here? What is the operation used? 2y is nothing but 2 into y. Okay, so multiplication and we have a subtraction sign. So the operation used is multiplication and subtraction. Clear? Now how can we tell how the expression has been formed? First y is multiplied by 2. So we got 2y. Okay, and then my 17 is minus 17. So 17 is subtracted from the result. Clear, children?